Hi, today we will show you how to make a kind of a side menu like this form. Okay, we click on like department, we can see the department, and the mouse over is moving, right? The color is changing. Then the menu selected will be colored like this one here, because it gets green. We show that it is this department or this menu is selected. Okay, if you click on case by example, you will see the case also will remain selected. So how to do something like this? Okay, so we will show the video quickly how to do that. First, I will create a new MS Access application to show you access. Then we create a new table, a new database, sorry. Here I will click blank database. Okay, then I will give the name side menu DB. Okay, and then it will save in my document. Create. Here is the menu, the first page of the database. Then we go quickly and create a blank form. Okay, since the blank form is created, let's go to the design view and make it a little bit bigger. Then let's save to give a name. We call it menu F. By default, we have a kind of convention here. The way we naming forms or reports, form at the end of the name we put F to show this is a form. Then the report we will put R on the right side. Okay, so that's kind of convention we are using here. Let's go and click OK. So the menu is created. So let me create the dark side as the sorry for my computer is running something else. It's a little bit slow. So we take this rectangle here, then we put a kind of rectangle, okay, rectangle on the side here. Then we go to format, the field color we choose this kind of black. Okay, it's simple. If you want, you can go click this one, you can go to advanced color and choose more color. Okay, more color. Then you can find the color on the internet to get the RGB of the color. Then you apply it here. It's very easy. It's simple. So now the color is on the top. So let's try to find a color. The color already on the left. Let's find for the top one. Let's find the color for the top. So now I will show. How to make the top one. I will just simply create another rectangle. Okay, then I will give another color let's go to this color by example. Okay, so here I can extend this color to the top right side to make it a little bit more good. Then I will simply put another rectangle. That's for design purpose. Okay, so here I will put something like this, and then I will put its color to this white. Okay, so you see it's kind of designing. You have to think or check the Google side to see different kind of menu people are creating to be inspired of it. Okay, so let's now create the button. I'll create the first button here. Okay, so I will cancel this one to show me the wizard. So I will remove the name, or I will put here menu submenu 1. Okay, submenu 1. Okay, menu, sorry, my keyboard is a little bit okay. Submenu 1. Then I will try to format it to make it back color is transparent. Okay, you need to put the back color transparent. You need to put the back color as same as the menu on the left side. Okay, you see now it fade inside the menu of the left side. Then the typing, we put a white color. We increase the size a little bit, okay, to 16. Then the border color, you see, is visible. Okay, I don't want kind of border color. I will say also transparent. Okay, now the border color is not getting transparent, it's getting white. Let's say transparent. So I don't know why it's getting selected. It's kind of bug. The border color, the shape color, you see, is taking the blue by default. Okay, the border color transparent. Don't know why it is not responding. Okay, it does not matter. We could just go to the way what we can do with this button. Then I will simply try now to copy the button, Control C and Control V. Okay, 6 to 7 times. Then I will make it rename it. If each button should have a convention name, like the B, but like button B1, then I will select the B2 here to make it B2, and then I will set here to B3. Sorry for that. And then B4. Okay, here's B5. Here it's B6. And then here is B7. Okay, so now you see that we have 7 buttons. We can easily make it visible false. We select all the buttons here, we make them visible. Visible true is better. If visible true is better, then we go to the code. Okay, we click we go to code builder, database tool, we go to Visual Basic, then side menu. There is no object created. No, there is an object created. Okay, let's say this to let the system create. Okay, now we are in the form current. We don't need this current. We just create a private function. Okay, to do that, private function SetBt only. Okay, then we enter. Then we go to the middle here. We say for I, the first one, for I, it's equal to 1 to 7. 7. We have 7 buttons, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 buttons. Okay, 1 to 7. For I is 1 to 7. For I, 1 to 7. Next, then we put here mean. Okay, we open the parentheses, mean, the code. Then we put B, the initial of our button, and then I. We cover dot. Okay, BackColor is equal to our first box. You see this first box 0, the name is box 0. This first, see this first box we created, its name is box 0. Okay, we used box 0 color, box 0 dot BackColor. Okay, So this is to clean up. Okay, if I select something, that selection should move, otherwise we're going to run into the trouble if we don't clean up what we have done after the code. So now we said Me.ActiveControl.BackColor. Active control, it doesn't exist, but we have to continue. BackColor is we try to find a good color, like this color, box1.color, or we took from here the code, RGB code of that color. See this color, we can go to this side and check the RGB is 167.218. That then we don't need that. We just said box1. Okay, make it things easier. Box1, okay, dot BackColor. Okay, so the selected one will be box1 BackColor. So this function, we call it here, this the name. We'll copy the name, copy all this. Okay, copy, then we click the first, second, third until the last button. We select all. We come to event, then we click inside the event, not double click, just click, and then we make equal to our function SetBt. Then all the button will have this functionality. Let's try the code if there is no bug. Okay, click here. Object does not support, or let me check what mistake we have done. Private function SetBt for 1 to that. BackColor is box0.BackColor. Active control. See, we forgot the BackColor here. It's not BackColor. We check. Okay. See, it take the color, and then the guy, if we move this guy here, we see what happened. Okay, I click here, it will remain green also. I click, it remain green. That's the problem. That's why we put first this loop here to clean up everybody, to get back to normal. Only the one selected active control item to be selected as the header. Then we want to set this page to open here. In Access, you should avoid creating many forms. We can easily create a tab here. Okay, a tab here. I will put a tab. Then I will put 7 tab also, from 1 to 7. Then I will say insert page, insert page, insert page to 7 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then we click here, we give the name also as serial number, P like a P1, the name, sorry, the second one. Okay, this one will be P2, this one will be P3, this one will be P4, this one will be P5, and this one P6. Okay, and the last one P7. Okay, yeah, so this menu will make sure we make your menu or your access very, very nice and clean and lighter. Okay, so we what we do, we want to make this tab transparent. Okay, we go to format, we make it transparent as you see. Then we make a label here. Okay, label here to the form itself, not inside. Okay, then I will name it LB0. LB0. Okay, so we will format it to make it bigger, writing 20, and the writing maybe blue. Okay, then the border color of this one will be transparent. Okay, let's say we make it bigger like this. Okay, then if we click here the menu, like you said, here we make caption menu 2, menu 3, menu 4, any name we like, menu 5, menu 6, menu 7. Here in the caption you can put anything you want. Okay, you do not need to make a serial numbering here. You do not need at all. If you like the first one, we move it, we say welcome. Okay, then we want, if you click sub menu here, it will show the caption on this sub menu to show on this label for each page. So that's why we will not put this label on each page one by one. That's make it a lot of job, a lot of problem, a lot of time, and a lot of loss of money. Okay, because if you cannot build even a single application in 2-3 months, that means you are losing money. Okay, so let's go to the code. Our function, we let our function do everything. The simple function we created here. The page, we have named the page. Okay, then the active control, we have to catch up. We have to take the value of that active control, click it. Okay, we declare dim AX, okay, as a single. AX as a single. Okay, then we put here AX est égal it is how to call, we say, okay, mid, okay, or left or right. Okay, right of active control, Me.ActiveControl. okay, active control, we forgot to say right one. Okay, right, the position 1. We suppose that we don't have 10 buttons. If we have 10 buttons, that means the right can be from 1 to 10 to 2 digits or 1 digit. That is another small code we have to input here to calculate how to grab the number on the right side of the button. Okay, 1. So here is that. Then I will change CSng, that means convert to single. Okay, CSng mean, because this guy will return a text, I need to convert to give to this guy here, which is a single. Okay, since we grab this one, the number of the button clicked, we said now we just simply copy or all this. Oh, you don't need even to copy that, but let's do that. Okay, AX. Then we change also this one to P because we have the P. Okay, that SetFocus. Okay, focus. Okay, that means we grab something here. If button 5 is clicked, here we will have 5 in this AX. Then we said combine this 5 you got to the P, then it is an element of me, then give it the focus. Okay, then our LB0 is named, our LB0.Caption. Okay, we set it to our this one this one. Okay, we make it because I'm afraid of error. We said okay, here we put B, then we combine also to AX. Okay, that caption. Okay, that means the number here, if you click B5, because here I'm afraid if we take active control that time that control do not have a focus again, because this we set focus. So this one will not get any more the focus. So that means only this AX will save us from this problem. Then we have to take AX combine to B, because our button from B1 to B7. So it will take B and 5 here dot caption. Then it will give to LB0. Let's try the function. Okay, very easy. Okay, now submenu 5. We make something not common here. Let's check the error. Me LB0.Caption. Okay, is me BX B here that is said P. Cannot see what's the error. What's it say? Click here. It say the expression on click object does not support this property or method. Which one? Okay, it support that. I think it's support. Let's say let's try to save. It is not that guy. I'm sure LB0 also. I think is LB0. The caption is like that. Okay, we can set the caption of any button. LB0 is a text box. Okay, that's mean. Let's say active control write message box. Okay, AX to check what the value in the AX. Maybe we missed the value of the AX. We missed the value of AX. Let's close all this. Okay, object. It is not up here, right? Me.ActiveControl.Name. Make mistake. Okay, that's think was the problem, because we need to say .name, not active control only. Okay, we say submenu 3, submenu 6, submenu 2, and submenu. So no one will know. No. So now in the client side, you will not see. You will not see all those page number. Just have to make it hide. Okay, none. Okay, see, none. Then all the pages are here. You can even remove the border here, the border color. You say border color transparent. Okay, then yeah, see, border color no one. Now let's make it however color. Okay, that's very easy. There is no need code. There is no code for that. Simply select all of them, and then come to format. You come to here, however color. Then we said however color is a yellow. Okay, however for color will be how to say black. Okay, presage color, we don't need that. We try. As you see, we have our however color. We click the menu, and then the job is done. The page is selected. If you want another page, another group of page here, like this tab, okay, let me show you the title of the tab. Like this tab, 1, 2, 3, you need to have a sub menu here belong to this P1. Like, okay, if I'm in P1, the space is small for me. I can put here another sub menu which I can control with the code again. Is like that we build that application. We put another one here. Then we can provide, you can say this one P1, sorry, okay, P1, okay, sub 1 S1. We call this guy P1 S1 sub, the P1 page sub page 1. You can say also P1 sub 2. That means we can grab also any page belong to the P1 should show up if P1 show up. Okay, you can create 2, 3, 5, 6 sub page for P1, maybe 0 sub page for P2, okay, etc. You can do whatever you like. You cannot be out of space here. There is a lot of space because the tab is working like another different form, and then it's easier. Why? Because if you have one like username here or user information, it will be directly in this form. You don't need to say that form dot field. You don't need, because all are in one form. Okay, so it is also how to call very fast, very light. Okay, you can link this P1 to these two tabs here. If P1 is selected, they show up. If P1 is not selected, they hidden. So that is possible. That we do in our database example here. You see this one, this side is a sub tab. Okay, if I go to hospitalization, you can see it is another sub tab, which is from the right side. We tell him to come back, to come to the left side, to show up on the left side, because it is so big from the screen. We adjust the position also, because its main tab is clicked, so the sub tab will show up. If we click here, this is the caption number, so it will go to the first page, page 0, and then to show the sub page of that one also. So you see, is very easier, very light to manage. Thank you for following our video. We will make the second video will be how to make a parameter for the database. How to make this. If we click here, then if you don't have the right to come to this page, so there will be a message to say this page is reserved for a higher level. Okay, you can set the permission of each menu one by one, because we suppose that this is the menu how to add item, this is the menu for supplier, this is the menu for to sell, this is the menu for inventory, this is the menu for general report. So you can fix a setting, you can fix a level for each menu. Then if you click, it will check first your level, the login level, then apply to the menu. Okay, so thank you for following our video. Have a nice